Veteran actor and pastor Winston Bello has died. He passed on Saturday, April 15th after a long battle with neuropathy. Neuropathy is a nerve problem that causes pain, numbness, tingling, swelling, or muscle weakness in different parts of the body. It usually begins in the hands or feet and gets worse over time. Neuropathy may be caused by cancer or cancer treatment such as chemotherapy. News of Winston Bello's passing was shared on his Facebook page on Sunday morning. There was an outpouring of condolences as social media users expressed surprise and shock at the comedian's passing. Winston Bello was a consummate Jamaican actor for over 45 years and is best known for his roles in Third World Cup, One Love, Glory to Gloriana, and Royal Palm Estates. But is probably best known as one of the comedic duo Bello and Blacka alongside Owen Blacka Ellis, with whom he shared a close relationship and bond, having started working with Blacka in comedy in 1985. However, the duo would split, both performing on solo acts, but Bello remained active on the theatre circuit, doing productions such as Patrick Brown's long-running Jamaican fairy tale Glass Slippers in 2013. He won a Best Supporting Actor award in 2012. In his later years, he focused on his ministry as a pastor and hosted the morning show Pastor Bello live on Roots FM. Reggae Mylighty says, RIP to Winston Bello and condolence to his family and close friends.
Reggae Mylighty. So the button the people, make sure you like this.